Hi guys, I am Pamela Udtohan. Good evening by the way.
The esophagus and the stomach. Objectives: to explain the esophagus, the movement of food in the esophagus, to describe the process of digestion in the stomach. The process of digestion begins inside of the mouth. The teeth break down the food in the smaller particles. It then gets mixed with the saliva in the mouth to form a strong mass called the bolus. As the food as the swallow, the soft palate or process of digestion begins in the mouth. Here I have an example. The teeth break down inside the mouth into smaller particles. It then gets mixed with the saliva in the mouth to form a strong mass called the bolus. As the food is swallowed, the soft palate blocks the upper throat called the pharynx, which prevent the entry of foods into the nasal cavity. As you can see, as the food is swallowed, the soft palate blocks the upper throat. Here, the soft palate blocks the upper throat, called the pharynx, which prevent the entry of foods in the nasal cavity. Here, the nasal cavity. When the food passes over the epiglottis, which is flap-like structures which prevent the entry of foods into the trachea, it pushes down the epiglottis. This is the epiglottis. It pushes down the epiglottis. So, the food then enters the food pipe or esophagus, which connects the pharynx to the stomach. Here is the demo. This is the esophagus. The food then enters the food pipe or esophagus, which connects the pharynx to the stomach. And it gentles push down the stomach by wave-like muscles contractions and relaxation known as peristalsis. When the food enters the stomach, the J-shaped bag-like structure, mucus, here is the mucus, the digestive juices that is present in the stomach act to the food to help digestion through chemical reaction. The mucous membrane protects the inner wall of the stomach from the effects of the acid. The hydrochloric acid or HCl kills the bacteria that enter along with the food and also helps in the digestion of proteins, the digestive juices. They're breaking down proteins present in the food into simpler forms, muscular constructions in the stomach, share in the food mass. To further break it down and mix with secretions in the stomach to form a thick liquid. So you can see, the 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 thick liquid. to further break it down and mix with the secretions. This thick liquid is cooled down the chyme exit the stomach through peristaltic movement and enters the small intestine where most of digestion occurs. Enters the small intestine. To summarize this, the human digestive system. To summarize, the muscles of the esophagus gently push down the food into the stomach by wave-like muscles, construction known as peristaltics. The stomach cells secretions, mucus, or hydrochloric acid and digestive juices that helps digest food through chemical reaction. Digestive juices break down the proteins into simpler forms. Would be all. Thank you. Thank you.